Have you got brilliant social media content ideas, but you're stuck scheduling posts manually across Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok? What if one tool could handle ideation, cross-posting, AI-powered captions, analytics, and simplified team workflows all from a single dashboard? That's FeedHive. FeedHive is an AI-powered social media management platform that helps you create, schedule, and optimize posts across multiple platforms, saving time and boosting consistency. Today, we will cover what users say, how it works, who it's best for, what needs improvement, affiliate and API details, and I'll give you my final verdict. So before we begin, let's see what users say about it. FeedHive gets a strong user review, generally around 4.6 stars across platforms like G2. Users love an easy, clean interface, powerful cross-posting from one dashboard, useful AI tools like caption generators, hashtag suggestions, and performance predictors. There are minor complaints because it has no mobile app yet, occasional bugs when posting to certain platforms, some users find pricing high, or missing integration. Now I'll break down the 3 core features of FeedHive in front of you one by one. So for feature 1, let's start where it all begins, the Compose tool. So FeedHive's editor makes it super simple to write posts with rich formatting, emojis, images, hashtags, and even AI-generated templates to get inspired fast. So how to use it? Click Create Post, write or generate a caption with AI templates like inspirational quotes or promotional hooks. Add emojis, visuals, hashtags, and set the voice. Preview it live and assign platforms. You can also create design directly inside the Composer using built-in Canva integration. Basically write style, design without switching tabs. And over here at the right side, you can publish posts, you can organize, you can share draft. And if the link is very long, you can also shorten link. Once done, you can simply go up and click on Post Now. And all right, that's the writing and designing part done. Now let's move on to feature number 2, that is scheduling posts. Once your post is ready, FeedHive's Schedule tab helps you plan it across LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and more all at once. So first of all, you got to click Pick Time to Schedule. You can select platforms, you can post to multiple at once, not just one. You can simultaneously post it to all of the platforms that you have added. You can add labels to organize content, share preview links with your team or clients. You can also post now instantly if needed, and it even tracks recycled history so you can reuse high-performing content later. Now that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to the feature number 3. So if you're tired of manually logging in to post every time something new happens, so FeedHive's automation feature lets you fire off posts with custom triggers, URLs without lifting a finger. So you can head to Automation tab, click and create trigger. FeedHive gives you a trigger URL. You define what happens when the URL is called. Create draft, publish draft, or create and publish post instantly. You can customize it with text to add post text, media URLs to attach images, assign it to specific platforms like LinkedIn or X app, add organization labels like tip, promotion, etc. This is perfect for auto posting from blogs, Zapier, or make.com flows, triggering content from product updates to RSS feeds. It's hands-free content publishing, just plug in the link and let it run. So those were some of the core features that why FeedHive is so popular and gaining attention. But now the question is, who would benefit most from this tool? So this tool is perfect for solopreneurs and creators. Stay consistent without hiring a team. Social media managers manage multiple clients and platforms with ease. Small businesses and startups plan ahead and stay organized. Agencies streamline content creation, publishing, and feedback in one tool. If you have got more than one social media account and 0 time, FeedHive is your new best friend. As no tool is perfect, FeedHive also have some areas for improvement. There is no mobile app yet, it's desktop only. Some advanced features like performance predictions, hashtag groups are locked behind a brand plan. No long-form post support for platforms like LinkedIn articles. No bulk CSV import-export for posts. Currently, there is no public affiliate program listed. So if you want to recommend it for commission, you'll have to wait or reach out directly. FeedHive does not offer an API at this time. But FeedHive is one of the cleanest, most efficient social media tools out there. It combines AI scheduling, writing, inbox, and performance tracking, all without overwhelming you. For solo creators, teams, and agencies who want to save hours every week, this tool pays for itself. So just be ready to pay for the brand plan if you want the full AI analytics experience. So that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.